PropStream is a real estate data platform used to find off-market properties, including pre-foreclosures. Pre-foreclosure properties are those where homeowners have defaulted on mortgage payments, but the foreclosure isn't final. To find these listings, first log into PropStream. Select the Foreclosures or Pre-foreclosures tab. Use geographic filters to narrow down the area you're interested in, like a specific state, county, or zip code. Refine your search further with property-specific filters like property type, single-family, multi-unit, estimated value, e.g. 200K to 500K, and equity percentage. Use foreclosure stage filters to find properties in specific stages such as NOD filed, NTS scheduled, or auction pending. Advanced filters, including investor filters for metrics like cash-on-cash return estimates, can also be applied. Results display in a map or list format, showing the property's address, filing date, lender, and estimated market value. PropStream's Prop View provides satellite imagery for visual inspection. Once you've filtered your pre-foreclosure list, PropStream allows you to export the data. Export options include CSV, Excel, or PDF formats. Premium plans allow direct integration with platforms like MailChimp or ReiPro. Customize your exports by selecting the columns you want to include, such as equity data or contact information. Be aware that bulk exports are limited to 10,000 properties per query. You can also set up saved searches and automated exports to receive weekly emails with new pre-foreclosures matching your criteria. Remember that PropStream data is for informational purposes only, and you must comply with local laws when contacting owners. The platform connects you to leads for negotiation, but ethical use is essential.